the fees payment details form. Now we are going to create the reports form. To create the reports form, we have to add a new tab in this. To add a new tab, right click in the tab location and insert page. After the current page, click after the current page. A new page has been added. Change the name of the page. Scroll down, current tab text, change it to reports. In this page, we are going to create the administrator reports heading and table name. So select the main heading and the subheading. Copy the text. In the reports form, paste it. Change the fees payment details heading to administrator reports. Heading, change the heading text to reports. Change the subheading to table name. Table name. Place a table widget. Table widget here. Change the color of the table widget. Go to style sheet. Select the add color and select the background color. Make it to white and click OK. And add font. Font size 12 and give OK. Again give OK. Now our table widget has been added and the color is changed and the font also has been changed. Save the form. Now we have completed the reports form. Thank you for watching.